Hi, Deanna. I'm going to read the spelling words for this week. Hopefully you're ready for your test. You've been doing an awesome job. Only a couple more weeks to go. I'm very excited for that. Hopefully you are too. All right, let's get started with number 1, somewhere. Somewhere there is a child crying. Somewhere. Two is backstage. I heard a person talking backstage. Backstage. 3, baseball. Hopefully this summer I will get to go to a baseball game. 4, butterflies. There are many butterflies in the garden. 5, whenever. Whenever you are ready, you can submit your test. Whenever. 6, earthquake. There was an earthquake in California. Earthquake. Next word, grasshopper. There was a grasshopper on my sidewalk. Grasshopper. Next word, somewhere. Somewhere there is somebody drinking water. Somewhere. Next word, evergreen. There is an evergreen tree in my backyard. Evergreen. And the last word is flagpole. There's a flagpole in front of the school. Flagpole. I also just realized that I think 2 of the words were the same, so no worries on that. Good luck, Deanna. Bye.